radiology presentation on the cassette, loading the cassette into the generator and also loading them into the CR developer. So this is a cassette. This is a 14 by 17, the most common one we use. It consists of two ends, one of which has a darker horizontal line. It should always go towards the patient's head. We place this cassette into what's called the bucky grip. We do everything gently. So when we place it in, until it clicks right there, then you slide it into place. Make sure it's all the way in. The other thing on the generator to check is you have one for receptor or for tabletop. We almost always do the receptor, which is where the cassette is. So next step is you turn the light on by holding this button down, and it takes a little while to come on, and then we collimate. So we try to collimate. You can see the light on these two switches control the beam or the cone as far as where the radiation will go. So you try to get on just what you're targeting, and it helps create a better image, and it's safer. One last thing then, when the button is pushed, and I'm going to take this cassette out now. To push this button, you can hear the machine spin up with half a click down.
Rolling.
All right, rolling on depressing the button, take two. You notice we had an error message that Diana informed me it happens, which I've corrected it, I turned it off, but if the machine is left on too long, I thought it had an auto off, it doesn't, so always try to turn it off when not in use. But as long as you turn it on and then, or off and back on, it comes back to normal. But when you're pressing the button, it's halfway down, you can hear it spin up, and then all the way down is when the radiation fires into the cassette.